Okay, so this is my hack for finding out more about a property without actually going down to it. So if you find a house online that you like and there are certain features that are important to you in the backyard, what you can do is you can click on a satellite view. So instead of seeing a map version, there's a satellite where you can see the trees, you can see if it's backing a highway, you can see if it's a corner, you can see if it's next door to a convenience store, you can see if there are sidewalks, you can see how wide the streets are. You can get a general appeal for the block and for the areas. There's one caveat, and what I noticed is many times you have to actually show up to the house, go to the house and experience. And what you think you're going to think about the house is different than when you actually walk in. So it's not a set, hard, fast rule. For the most part, it does work, specifically for people who a huge part of buying a home is the landscaping and is the backyard and is where the home is situated. Personally, as a realtor, that's like super important to me. So I'm like hyper focused on it. But what I have to realize is that when I'm working with people, that's not necessarily what they're focused on, and they may be just focused on the house, or they don't have the same view as me. Hacks that realtors know: blocks with sidewalks are preferably ideal, unless you specifically want privacy or want to be next to a highway. But blocks that are situated in a neighborhood with curved streets are better than grids. Homes that are set further back is also more attractive, and homes that are at the edge of a development, so they're backing the woods, are ideal. These are like little tiny things that realtors notice, or people who are particular with these things. I hope you found this video helpful, and tell me what other tips or tricks or things you're interested in hearing about. Have a great day.